Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Areebadrawingtutorials. Today I am drawing a simple beginner's easy scenery. Here I am using an art paper, a 2 HP pencil and a scale. First of all, I have drawn a straight line and two mountains over it. Now I am drawing two houses right beneath that line, just facing towards each other like this. I hope you will be able to draw easily by watching my drawings. Don't forget to comment on my video. Please do comment, tell me, let me know how is my drawing, and never forget to subscribe to my channel for more such videos with voiceover. Okay, so now I am drawing a house over the right side of the house, and a tree over the house, and another tree on the left side of the house. So the houses are done. Now I'll draw a straight line directing from the left side of the house and making it zigzag towards the path. Another straight line and then making it zigzag parallel to the other one to show the river in between the mountains. And now I'll draw some small grasses on the ground just like this, and it's done.